Good morning, students. Let's continue our chapter number 12, that is the elves and the shoemaker. As you know, we have read two pages in the last video, and today we will continue. The shoemaker sighed because these shoes were so much better than his. Students, as we read that, हमने क्या पढ़ा था कि शू मेकर जैसे ही अर्ली मॉर्निंग उठा कि वो शूज़ बनाएगा तो उसने देखा कि उसके काउंटर बेंच पर लेदर तो है ही नहीं। क्या पड़ा था वहाँ? न्यू शूज़ पड़े हुए हैं। So now the shoemaker was surprised that these shoes were so much better than his, कि ये शूज़ तो उसके बनाए शूज़ से भी ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं। While the couple admired the pair, admired means do praise, तारीफ करना। तो उस कपल ने तारीफ करी उस पेयर की। A group of boys walked into the shop. And now you can see here in this picture a group of boys came into the shop. Here one boy is speaking, let's see what this funny old man is selling. By observing from outside, they think that this is the funny old man and they wanted to know that what things he is selling. Wow, these are lovely and fit you perfectly well. Here one boy is trying those shoes and these two are saying to him that these shoes are lovely, these are very good and these are perfectly fit in your feet. The boys were amazed to see the pair of shoes. They bought it immediately for twice the price the shoemaker usually charged. The boys were very happy to get those shoes and they paid the double money. Firstly, before these shoes, the money shoemaker charged, this time they gave him twice money, double of that price. With the money he earned, the shoemaker bought twice as much leather as normal. That meant he could make two pairs of shoes the next morning. And now, he got now twice money, double money. And so, next morning, he will make two pairs of shoes. Usually, he makes one pair of shoes because he has only this much leather. But today, he will buy more leather, enough leather for making two pairs of shoes. As usual, he cut out the leather and went to bed. As usual, like all days, he cut the leather in the evening and at night he went to bed. Why? Because he wanted to wake up early morning and wanted to make his shoes. The next morning, he woke up to find that someone has done the work for him again. So, next morning also, he woke up early in the morning to make shoes. But what did he see? He saw that the shoes were already made and two pairs of shoes were waiting on his workbench. See, now he wanted to make two pairs, then here are two pairs already done. He was astonished, astonished means surprised by the faultless work that had happened overnight. Now also, today also, he was getting surprised and he observed that these two pairs of shoes are now also faultless. Whoever is doing it has a heart of gold. His wife says that the person who has made these shoes has surely a heart of gold. My goodness, how is this happening? This person is now also in surprise that How can this be possible? Who can do this? Just then, no other than the king's messenger walked in and spotted the perfectly sewn shoes on the counter. Students, when yesterday morning there was one pair of shoes already made, then a group of boys came to purchase that one, and now this morning here is the king's messenger. Messenger, you know what is messenger means? The person who does work of king. सो उसने देख लिया कि इतने अच्छे बने हुए शूज़ पड़े हुए हैं काउंटर पर. ओ, दीज आर सच फाइन पेयर्स ऑफ शूज़. माई मास्टर एंड मिस्ट्रेस वुड पे इन गोल्ड फॉर दीज पेयर्स. He is speaking this messenger. This is the king's messenger. This person is, and he is speaking that these shoes are very good. My king and queen would be very happy after getting these shoes, and they will give gold to this person for these pairs. And just like that, the two pairs were gone too. Like the last pair of shoe was purchased by a group of boys, and now this messenger has taken these two pairs. The shoemaker would cut leather and go to bed. बेड तो शू मेकर ऐसा ही कर रहा है. लेदर कट किया, बेड पर गया. द नेक्स्ट डे द शूज़ वर रेडी. वो लेदर कट करके जाता है कि सुबह शूज़ बनाऊंगा, और सुबह उठता है तो शूज़ रेडी होते हैं पहले ही. दिस कंटिन्यूड फॉर क्वाइट अ लॉन्ग टाइम. ऐसा बहुत समय तक चलता रहा. सो लॉन्ग दैट द शू मेकर एंड हिज वाइफ बिकेम नॉट जस्ट वेल ऑफ बट इनक्रेडिबली रिच. और ये तब तक चलता रहा जब तक शू मेकर और उसकी वाइफ ना केवल ठीक ठाक हो गए बल्कि इनक्रेडिबली रिच हो गए, बहुत रिच बन गए. They had no problems of any sort. Now they are facing no any problem, not at all. Now that they had enough money to live a wealthy life. अब उनके पास खूब पैसा था जिंदगी को जीने के लिए. The queue outside the shop grew longer each day. The queue means a line. So the line of customers outside the shoemaker's shop was getting long and long each day. Okay, so students, I hope you all have understood. We have read today also 2 pages, and tomorrow we will complete. In next video you will get the full chapter explanation. Okay, if you are having any doubt regarding this one, then you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.